I wasted months, not because I wasn't smart, not because I wasn't trying hard enough, but because I made this one mistake that kept me stuck for a very long time. And now I'm seeing so many beginners doing that same thing. If you're studying data analytics, if you're trying to land a remote job, either as a data analyst or in any field in tech, you need to see this video till the end because I will outline my mistakes that got me stuck for months and I will tell you the solution to this one mistake. In my case, I was trying to master all the tools in data analytics at once: Python, R, GitHub, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, name it. Any new tool I hear about in data analytics, I was trying to be an expert in that particular tool because I thought that the more I learned, the better my chances. But in reality, I was holding myself back. I wasn't getting the experiences of applying to jobs because no matter how you put this, the more interviews you go to, the better you become at them. Because after one interview, after two interviews, after three interviews, you must have learned the mistakes you made in one interview, or the second, or the third. And the fourth one will always be better than the first, second, and third. But I wasn't doing any of that. I kept learning, thinking that it gives me the better chances on when I start applying for jobs. I'd spent the whole weeks on tutorials, but had nothing real to show. The truth remains that learning a course is different from working on real life projects. What this did to me was that anytime I see any job out there, I feel that I'm underqualified to apply because I know Excel, I know Python, I know SQL, but I don't know R. I don't know Tableau yet. So I feel like I am not qualified for that job. So I started seeing people that are experts on just Excel, getting employed every day, building their confidence in the job market. While me, I'm back there trying to know all the skills and crushing my confidence. I went back. I asked myself, what are the things you're doing wrong? What is the missing part in all of these things that I am doing? That was when I found that the strategy is mastering a particular tool, getting good at them, do so many real world projects on that particular tool that you've mastered, and go out there in the job market and apply. My first gig I got on data analytics was on Excel. You don't need 100 tools. You need just one tool that you can use to solve 100 problems. So if you're feeling stuck, if you feel like you're busy but you're not progressing, I think it's time to stop and ask yourself that question: where am I getting it wrong? So if you're feeling stuck, leave me a comment in the comment section. I'm stuck, and we'll figure it out together. It's never too late to change your strategy. So if you found this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe until I see you next time. Bye.